I'm going to tell you now, you ever take off on me again, I will put you over my knee and I'm going to spank you with so much of a high bond, you're going to go flip and split into three. Do you understand, Mr. Chavez?
Sir.
As it stands now, I'm rolling this case to tomorrow to see whether they're going to honor their offer. And if not, then I'm just going to set your case for trial. Be back here tomorrow and we'll see if he can still finagle this thing for you. If so, you've got 2 weeks to complete this thing. You ain't got it done. I will set your case immediately for trial.
May I reset it for, and I just come back?
No, I'm not gonna, no. I want to make sure that he's good. It's 600 days old. You gonna be here tomorrow?
Yes, I'll be here tomorrow. Yes,
Okay.
I certainly will.
I don't, doesn't matter to me if it's a little inconvenience to you, Mr. Chavez. It's 600 days old. I want to know exactly what's gonna happen. Do you understand? See you tomorrow.
Just hold off right there.
You charged with theft, aggregate theft. It's elevated to a Class A misdemeanor because of the amount. So you're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during any questions and interviews with the state of Texas. If you cannot afford a lawyer will be appointed to represent you, ma'am.
On March 13, 2024, officers were dispatched to the 7-Eleven gas station, complainant viewed on surveillance that now defendant skip scanning and not charging customers for Texas scratch-off lottery tickets and Texas online lottery tickets into the 7-Eleven's point-of-sale computer system. She totaled 52 tickets that had been stolen on April 25th, 2024, valued at $574. And there were also online Texas lottery ticket printout by the defendant, 58 tickets valued at $220. And 50 cents, and so she's been charged with theft ag, Class A misdemeanor.
So I don't, you went fast. What happened?
So she
Skip scanning?
Yes, Judge, and into the point of sale computer system, and so she stole a value of $574 worth of scratch off lottery tickets and printed out $220 worth of 58 tickets that were not also entered into the point of sale system. So it's a theft aggregate.
I'm curious, if you skip scan lottery tickets and you win, what happens? It's a rhetorical question, but I gotta imagine nothing good
I'm
happens.
gonna do some research on that.
If you win $3 million on a skip scan, what's gonna happen?
Yeah.
Forfeit it anyways?
I made some.
All right, Ms. Torres, I'm gonna find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I'm ordering you now as a condition of your bond not to go back to this location. Do you understand? Also, do not pick up any new cases. If I find that you go back, you talk to the complaining witness, or you pick up any new cases, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. You will not get any more PR bonds. Okay. As it stands now, your bond is set at $100. Do you want a PR bond?
She wants some PR bond.
Okay.
Trying to save as much money as she can.
I will not, I'm telling you now, I'll give you a PR bond, but you'll never get another one.
Yes, sir.
You understand? Okay. So, Mr. Kim, do you mind filing no contact, no going back, and then no new cases, please? Now, you have a lawyer. It is your responsibility to stay in touch with Mr. Mercer. If he tells me that he can't get a hold of you because you're playing games, you're ducking and dodging his phone calls, I will revoke your bond. I'll issue a warrant for your arrest. I will waive your appearance so you don't have to mindlessly come to court, but you always must stay in touch with him. He'll tell you if and when you have to come back to court. Okay? For now, I'm going to have you go to Victoria. We'll have you sign a reset. After that, we'll have you take your seat in the jury box where we'll get all your paperwork ready. We'll have you sign it. And after that, you'll be free to go. Okay.
Thank you.
You're now charged with 2 DWI seconds. You know, the only thing that we want in our country, we want our streets to be safe. Do you know that Harris County leads the nation per capita in DWI fatalities? Guys, keep it down, please. We lead the nation in fatalities. And here you are charged with 2 open DWI seconds. What is it going to take to get through to you? Is it someone dead where you go to prison for 30 to 40 years? Is that what it's going to take? Understand, that if you ever come back to this country and you're in a car driving and you get pulled over, an officer is going to see DWI, DWI, DWI. If they smell alcohol, what do you think they're going to do to you?
¿Qué crees que va a hacer él? ¿Qué crees que va a hacer él?
He said, me va a castigar.
He's gonna punish me,
Pero yo ya no pienso volver.
but I don't think I'm gonna come back.
I didn't hear you. We'll get there. But if you're caught in a car with alcohol on your breath, what do you think officers will do to you when they see your record?
Es cuando vean el récord, que te vean que estás borracho, ¿qué crees que van a hacer ellos?
Me van a meter a la cárcel.
¿Y con el prison?
Not jail, prison. From now on, because of your history, you'll be facing a minimum of 2 years in prison, a maximum of 10 years in prison. Not only that, you're now being deported to your country of origin. If you come back, the feds can hit you with an illegal re-entry, and then with that, you're looking at a minimum of 5 years in federal prison on that one as well. So I would be very careful if you come back, how you come back. Because you could be the next time be facing a lot of time in prison. The only thing we want are streets to be safe. That's all we're asking to do. If you're gonna go drink 15 beers, find another way home. Don't drive.
Manejes, encontrar otra manera de llegar a casa, pero no manejes.
Do you understand?
¿Tienes?
Sí.
Yes.
Guys, keep it down. I'm not asking for much.
No estoy pidiendo mucho.
You give up a lot of rights by entering into this agreement, Mr. Gutierrez. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. So once you accept this agreement, you can never change this. Like I told you now, you will be deported. If you come back illegally, you could be facing a lot of time in federal prison. So I would be very careful. Not only that, you get into a car with alcohol, you're going to be facing even more time with up to 10 years. How do you plead to this offense, sir? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
I will find you guilty, sentence you to 60 days in jail. I'll give you credit for the 30 days, the 32 days that you've done. I'm going to suspend your license for 2 years. Don't drive.
Manejes.
Don't drive.
Manejes.
Okay.
Hey, good.
Oh, hold on. Roberto, case was enhanced.
No preguntar si es cierto o no es cierto que tenéis un previo para decir si es cierto.
Is it true or untrue that you had a prior DWI from 2015 here in Court 5?
5. ¿Es cierto o no es cierto? Yes, it's true.
True to the enhancement. Okay, good luck. I am now going to have you come and test with me every Monday and Thursday. If you ever test positive for anything else, I'm going to put you in a rehab facility, locked down in the jail. You're going to sign an affidavit with me. And I'm telling you, if I find that you're using cocaine, I will hold you in contempt, slap you with 180 days in jail, probate it for 2 years, and put you in a lockdown rehab facility. Do you understand? The reason I'm having you come so much is because cocaine gets out of your system every 3 days. So I'm having you test for the foreseeable future. And if I'm telling you, I'm going to make your bond so high, you're also going to flip. Well, actually, I mean, you'll be in a rehab facility. You can't get out. So you can either control these demons yourself. If I find that you can't, then I'll do it for you. I promise you, you're not going to like whether I do it. Also, Mr. Cardona, you're not to be in possession of weapons as well. If I find that you have a weapon, likewise in this one, I'll deem you a public danger and make you bond $50,000.
Antonio Runyon.
So Another Monday, Thursday air, guys. Let me see, let me get my list.
They require us now a week wait for the That's Monday and Thursday. That's going to be last week. I was Thursday. So I don't think check it. So to that is Monday, Thursday, yeah, it's the same testing hours. That's your skill set.
Hold on. I need you to sign this affidavit for me. So this is what you'll be signing today. A promise that you're not to use any alcohol. Guys, keep it down, please. No cocaine, marijuana, meth, any illegal substances. I'm also including alcohol and no weapons. You will be signing this, promising me that you're not going to do this. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I will hold your feet to the fire if I need you, if I need to. All right, come on. You know, I think that, well, number one, I'm going to find no probable cause in your case, okay? I think that probably the best thing that should have happened is I would have called the authorities. And I think that that's probably the most proper response for future reference. If you see something like that happen, call the police. You know, I don't know if you did in this instance or not. Did you? I would continue to call 911 until you finally get someone who's going to respond and get someone there as quick as possible. You can't take the law into your own hands because, you know, when you do, bad things happen. Just for future reference, I'm saying from now on, I would continue to call 911 until you get someone who actually responds to you. For now, I'm finding no probable cause in your case, and they're going to dismiss it. Okay, so you're free to go. Okay, good. Take care. Thank you, sir.
But it worked out.
Yeah, great. So that's it, right? Mr. Miller, you are wanted out of the state of Georgia for aggravated assault and terroristic threats and act. Are you waiving formal extradition, sir? Okay, we wish you the best of luck.
Hey, Judge.
Thank you, sir.
Could you explain to me the process to me?
So what happens is you have an open warrant out of Georgia for both of these cases and they want you. So we give them the opportunity to come and get you. We give them 14 days to come and get you. If they don't get you by then, the DAs file a motion to dismiss and then they release you. But understand that just if they release you because Georgia doesn't come for some reason, which they probably will, but if they don't, the warrant is still active. So as soon as you walk out of jail, they can still pick you up and bring you right back to jail because
But not in the jail, but on the corner, that's what you're saying.
Right, right. I mean, you have this warrant open until you go back to Georgia and take care of it. So for the rest of your life, if you never go back to Georgia to take care of it, it's going to be open forever. Okay. But they're coming, right?
Yes.
Georgia has already indicated that they're coming to get you. Okay? Yeah.
What happens when one courtroom session becomes a revolving door of broken promises, repeat offenses, and last chance warnings? You get exactly what unfolded here. Judge Fleischer moved through case after case, and the theme stayed the same: accountability, public safety, and a judge who refused to sugarcoat the consequences. A defendant facing indecent exposure charges had the case rolled pending body cam footage, but couldn't escape the pattern of failures to appear. Another defendant, Mr. Chavez, was warned his 600-day-old case was heading to trial if he didn't deliver. The judge gave him 1 day to produce results. A 7-Eleven cashier stood before the bench, charged with Class A theft. skip scanning lottery tickets valued at nearly $800, only to hear the judge muse about what happens if you win on a stolen ticket. Moss, the answer, you forfeit everything. Then came the DWI cases. The judge reminded the room and the defendant that Harris County leads the entire nation per capita in DWI fatalities. Facing 2 DWI second offenses and deportation, the defendant was told plainly, any future DWI with this record means prison, not jail prison, with a minimum of 2 years and up to 10. And if he re-entered the country illegally afterward, federal charges would add a minimum of 5 more years on top of that. The message across every case was the same. The court was willing to extend grace, but grace has a limit. Choices have consequences. And in Judge Fleischer's courtroom, the record always speaks. If you found this case as eye-opening as we did, hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more real courtroom breakdowns, because justice never gets old.